was so sort of excited and blown away by this male, which is still wonky town, but anyway, this was with it as well, and I just sort of didn't notice it with this, and I hope you can hear me. Apparently it needs oh, hang on. This requires a 48 volt power supply to work perfectly, and well, I just have it plugged in normally, so we'll see how this goes. Anyway, in the box also it came with a USB sound adapter, 7.1 channel. I'm presuming this is to plug into your computer to help the microphone out with some power. That's why I thought I'd add this in now. Introduction. The USB virtual 7.1 channel surround sound adapter is highly flexible audio interface which can be either with desktop or notebook system, bundled with Xia 3D sound emulation software. It turns your stereo speaker or earphones into 7.1 channel environment. No drivers required, just plug and play for instant audio playback and blah 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 blah. Features and specifications: compatible with USB 2, full speed 12 megabits per second specification, compatibility with USB or blah 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 blah, and all the rest of it. No drivers required for Windows 98 SE, ME, 2000 XP, Server, 2003, Vista, Linux, and Mac. Good thing I'm on Windows 10. Just the same things over again, system requirements. Made in China, no brand. I don't know. Go find it. No instructions, and that's it. I'm not going to plug it in, we'll just presume it works, or you will hear it in the next video or something. That's all. Bye bye.